Lena was a girl who could not hear. She was born in a small town near the mountains. The town was quiet. The people were kind. But for Lena, the world was always silent. She never heard the birds sing in the morning. She never heard the rain fall on the roof. She never heard her mother call her name from the kitchen. But Lena was not sad. She had her own way of feeling the world. She felt music through the floor. She felt thunder through her hands. And at night, she felt something very special. She felt the sky. Every night, Lena climbed to the rooftop of her house. She lay down on an old blanket. She looked up at the stars, and she felt something move inside her chest. Something warm, something alive. Her neighbors thought she was strange. "Why does that girl sit on the roof alone?" they asked. But Lena did not care. The stars were her friends, and she truly believed, that the stars were trying to speak to her. One evening, a new family moved into the house next door. They had a boy named Sam. Sam was 12 years old, just like Lena. He had big, curious eyes and messy brown hair. On his very first night in the new house, Sam looked out of his window. He saw Lena on the rooftop. She was lying on her blanket, staring at the sky. Sam thought this was the most interesting thing he had ever seen. So the next evening, he knocked on Lena's door. Lena's mother opened the door. She smiled and called Lena. When Lena came to the door, Sam pointed to the sky and then to the rooftop. He did not know Lena could not hear. But somehow she understood. She smiled and nodded. They climbed to the rooftop together. That night, they lay side by side under the open sky. Sam pointed to a bright star. Lena looked at it. Sam wrote in a small notebook, "That one is called Sirius. It is the brightest star we can see." Lena read it. Her eyes became wide. She had never known the names of the stars before. She took the pen from Sam and wrote, "I feel them." Sam looked at her. He did not fully understand. So he wrote back, "You feel them. How?" Lena thought for a moment. Then she wrote, "They send something down. Like a vibration. Like a sound I cannot hear, but I can feel in my heart." Sam stared at those words for a long time. Then he looked up at the stars again. He tried. He closed his eyes. He opened his mind. He waited. And then, very slowly, he felt it too. A soft, deep feeling. Like a hum without sound. Like music without notes. He turned to Lena with wide eyes. He wrote quickly, "I felt it." Lena laughed. It was a beautiful laugh. Silent but full of joy. After that night, Sam and Lena met on the rooftop every evening. Sam brought his notebook and a book about stars. Lena brought her blanket and an old tin box. Inside the box were small pieces of paper. On each paper, she had written something she felt from the stars. "This one feels like hope." She pointed to a small star in the east. "This one feels like my grandmother." She pointed to a red star near the horizon. "This one feels like a beginning." She pointed to a bright star directly above them. Sam read each paper slowly. He started to understand that Lena had a gift. Not a gift of hearing. A gift of feeling. A gift that most people never have, because they are too busy listening to the noise of the world. He told her this one night. He wrote, "You are lucky. You can hear what the rest of us cannot." Lena read it. She smiled. But then she wrote back, "No. Everyone can hear it. They just do not try." One night, the sky was especially clear. There were no clouds. The moon was small. The stars were everywhere. Thousands of them. Millions of them. Each one like a tiny silver voice speaking from far away. Lena closed her eyes. She put her hands flat on the rooftop floor. She took a deep breath. Sam watched her quietly. Then something happened that Sam never forgot. Lena began to move her fingers. Slowly, like she was playing a piano. One finger, then another, then another. She was not playing any instrument, but her fingers moved like they heard a song. Like they were following a melody that only she could feel. Sam watched with his mouth open. He could not speak. He could not write. He just watched. When Lena opened her eyes, they were full of tears. But she was smiling. She wrote one sentence. Tonight, they played for me. Sam had no words. He looked up at the sky. He looked back at Lena. And for the first time in his life, he understood something very deep. Something that school never taught him. Something that no book had ever said clearly enough. He understood that some things in this world do not need sound to be heard. Some things speak directly to the heart. And the heart, if it is open, always listens. Years passed. Sam and Lena grew up. Sam became a writer. His first book was about a girl who listened to stars. It became very famous. People all over the world read it. Many of them wrote to Sam and said the same thing. After reading your book, I went outside and looked at the stars. And I felt something. Lena became a music teacher. She taught children who could not hear. She taught them to feel sound through the floor, through walls, through their hands and feet. She taught them that music is not only in the ears, music is everywhere. You just need to know how to feel it. And every year, on the same night, Sam and Lena met on that same rooftop. They lay on the old blanket. They looked at the stars. They did not write. They did not sign. They just felt. And the stars, as always, played on. Thank you for listening. This is CM Institute. Keep learning. Keep growing.